Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys probably wondering what I'm doing here on a Monday, but hear me out. It's now the 1st of December. This should be uploaded, and in December I do 25 days of Toni on my Instagram, and this year I'm bringing it over to my YouTube and my TikTok, so you should stay up to date with them all. My username for all of them is Toni-Anne Davis, so you don't miss out. So yeah, this is going to be a long intro because it's the first video. So this week's theme is going to be challenges, and in November I asked everyone on Instagram to give me suggestions. So I've picked 7, and now I'm going to use the Google number generator to figure out which one I'm doing. So if you want to see how this goes, then just continue watching. Okay, so I have the Google number generator on my laptop, and it's, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but it says 1 to 7, and it chose number 6. Okay, so number 6 is, let me find out. Okay, so number 6 is the blindfold challenge, as if I'm not blind enough already, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, just so you know I'm not cheating, I am going to put my blindfold on now. Okay, so you can see I can't see anything. And then I'm just going to shuffle around the stuff. All my makeup stuff is on the table. Okay. Whew. So I'm just gonna feel around a bit to find my primer. That is not a primer. No. Okay, yeah, this feels squishy. Primer. Oh, it is the primer, yay! Okay, next would be foundation. This one. I don't know, it feels soft, so I'm not sure. Let me go around. Yeah, I think this is a foundation. Yeah, it feels glassy. I'm gonna get a brush. This doesn't feel like a foundation brush, but I'll be here for ages. So I'm gonna just feel about, okay. How am I supposed to know whether this is blended? Let me see if I can find a sponge. Okay, sponge. Okay, this feels like the NYX palette. I don't usually use this for my under eye, but it's the one I can feel. And I know what it is, so I won't risk it too much. Let's try, this is not, this feels like an eyeshadow brush. But let's just go with it. I don't know which side I'm on. Okay, I'll go with this colour here. Conceal. Me like an idiot, I actually have my eyes closed underneath the blindfold as well. I have no idea if this is the right colour or if I'm going into the same colour. But concealing I am. I can't get under my eye. that's enough concealer. Then we're gonna go into bronze. This doesn't feel, yeah, this is eyeshadow. I guess I can find the color in it that is, because I remember in my makeup bag this, yeah, this is Smashbox eyeshadow palette. I can tell from the feel of it. Yeah. How do I still end up doing this and I can't see what I'm doing? See if I can feel Patricia's thing around here somewhere. Just dropping everything. Yeah. See, this is why I like the tins, because I know this is Patricia's thing. Okay, let's get a brush. That is a fan brush. This does not feel like the correct brush, but I know the bronzer shades in the middle, so swirl around in it. I'm not liking this not being able to see thing. So I wear glasses, so I can't really see as it is, so it's bothering me now. I don't think there's powder here, guys. I can't feel it. I'm trying to do my Magneto and have it just hit up. It's not working. Oh, I can't find it. Powder is here. Oh, this could be hard because I'm not going to be able to find the brush, am I? Don't really want to get powder on just any brush. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, we leave that. This blindfold is starting to dig into my eye. And then blush, I think. Bruv, this fiddling around to find everything is getting boring now. I'm getting annoyed. The blush, I use this brush. And oh, I don't remember which side it is. I think that's highlight. Okay, yeah, so blush. Oh, this is not a blush brush. Oh my god. Oh, okay. I keep this in my hand and I'll do the highlight. No, I'll brush off the powder. The brush I use for powder. Where is that? It's stressing me out. Okay, this feels like, yeah, this is a fan brush. I can feel it. I brush off the powder. Very aggressive. And then do highlight. Do smaller brush. Highlight. Now I'm going to do eye products. I know I had a Smashbox palette in my hand at one point. This is not it. Okay, let me set my face first. Yeah, I love the feel of Smashbox products like this. No, especially eyeshadows, I mean. Yeah, so this is the palette. Oh god, let me move my fringe out of my face a bit. See my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna start with this color. Okay, I think that's blended enough, don't you think? Another brush into another color, pop it over the lid. And then I'm going to use my finger and just top off. I know this is a shimmery shade, it feels like it. And then just top off my lid with that color. Then lower lash line. I'm just gonna pick up one of the brushes on the table and go in and smoke it out. Said I need to contour my nose. I use a tiny brush just to make sure I don't go crazy. Yeah. Okay, and then lips. I did fill the lipstick earlier, so I think I would know. Ooh, set again. I think I would know. Went right in my mouth. Yeah, I think I would know which one is the lipstick because I felt it. No. No. Oh. This is not a lipstick. This might be. Is this a lipstick? I don't know. Oh, that didn't help me at all. I don't know. I don't know what this is. What is this? What is it? I really can't tell what this is. I'm just not gonna trust it. I just have a feeling that that is not a good idea. Okay, I found it. I know this is the Fenty thing. Feels like it. Don't break it. Okay, I can feel just a tiny bit out. I think that's the final thing. I'll take my blindfold off. I did. Where are my glasses? Let me see. I didn't do that bad, considering. Like, the eyes actually look like they sort of match. So what do you think of the beat? Did it all blindfolded? Why are my under eyes so dark? I wonder what color I used. Let me get my mirror. This is lying to me. I look a lot worse than I thought I did. Wow. But the lips, it's not perfect. But it's good. I really like this eye. Like, funny enough, I actually really like it. Okay, so this is day 1 of 25 days of Toni. I hope you enjoyed it. There's more craziness to come in this week of challenges. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, Toni-Anne_Davis. I also have my little brother's channel, which will be in the description box, so please subscribe to him too. And I think that is everything. And come back tomorrow to see what I'm doing for 25 days of Toni. And I will see you then. Bye!